Hi, so in this video I want to talk about Booleans. Now we know that every object in Python has an associated truth value, a Boolean associated value. For example, any non-zero number is considered truthy, and otherwise it's false. So basically if it's 0, it's false. Anything else is considered true. So those are the associated Boolean truth values. An empty collection, for example, where the len method basically returns 0, is considered falsy, and otherwise it's true. So if it contains anything, it's true. Now by default, any custom object also has a truth value, which we can override by defining the DunderBool method. So that must always return a Boolean. It must return either a true or a false when we implement that method. Now if the DunderBool is not defined, then Python looks for the dunderlen method, because it's kind of basically saying, well, if I don't have a direct truth value from the bool method, maybe there's a len. Now if the len function method exists and it returns 0, then the associated truth value for that instance will be false. Otherwise it will be true, just like we have with lists and tuples and dictionaries and sets, for example. Now if neither is present, so if we have a class that doesn't implement the bool method and doesn't implement the len method, then it will always be considered truthy. So by default, the truthiness of any instance is true, unless we do something to override that behavior. So let's take a look at that in code and see how that works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.